talk, it doesn't work. So, I really don't have a voice. It's 62, it's not that old. This sucks. I'm just gonna have to whisper. Okay, okay. I have to run a couple of errands, even though it's 3 o'clock. I'm tired. And I'm sick. It's hot. Gotta take that back. I'll explain what it is when I have a voice. I should have made a doctor's appointment, because this gotta go. Still here. I've been here since 3 o'clock, and it's almost 5. I still can't talk. I'm gonna try to whisper. I'm not done, but I need to move my car because that's the building. But I parked in here because there was nowhere to park and I wasn't gonna drive around as more people kept walking in the door. So I decided to park over here in a no parking area. Actually, no, it says customer parking, but these spots on this side don't say customer parking. So I parked and my car's fine, it's still here. I'm thirsty.
Yeah, 487 to window 9, 487 to window 9.
So I'm just leaving and 2 hours later, it's dark outside. The lady who helped me coughed the whole time in her hand. I was like, please don't touch me or my ID. What do you need? Like, don't, you're gross. I'm on my way to Joann's craft store to take this stuff back. I'm so hungry. Actually, I'm not hungry at all. I haven't eaten anything, but I'm not hungry. I just want like some chips or something. Clearly I still sound like a man. Okay, so I returned what I need to return. It's like $300. I wasn't using it. I wasn't what I wanted, so I returned it. I think I'm just going to Chick-fil-A. Then I'm going to go to the grocery store. Then I'm going to go home and edit this vlog and go to sleep. Because I am tired. I am sick. I am sick and tired of people. And yeah. Yes. Thank you. Thank you, Jesus, for this wonderful food. Amen.
I see myself in the... I'll be back.
You're gonna get
Eat more
fired.
chicken.
You're gonna get fired.
I'm not. They don't know my name.
Marina.
Who? Who's that?
No.
I'm bored. saw you.
Associate abuse.
So?
I'm about to check one of her nuggets.
You.
I don't smell weird. I smell good. You're not supposed to have that.
Bye.
Oh, she cheated. That's honey mustard. She's not supposed to have that on her diet. Can you talk? Talk to them.
I only got 30 minutes to eat.
That was a lot of honey mustard. Do we have that stove?
It don't matter. Move!
Who you yelling at? I can look at it.
No, you can't. Go ask them for your own.
She's so rude. Are you screaming in here?
I'm not screaming.
You just did. That's why I took one.
You want to show you?
That's my name.
No.
Who the hell's Paul?
Don't worry about it.
You're probably ugly.
He is.
I'm sure. Everybody you talk to is ugly. Everybody. I got the cute ones. She don't. I got the cute ones.
We won't. You give her consent to put it in there.
Stop. Am I that entertaining?
Yes.
Don't put me on the internet.
We will.
Too late.
Media.
We will.
No one wants to see that.
You didn't think
I
I
don't
wanted
want. What's your name? His name's Sam.
I literally have a
You got your government too. He a DT champ. Is he popping?
How old are you?
How old do you think I am?
18, 19,
No.
17,
19.
19. He has tortilla soup.
Everybody, Mishele
MeShoLayLay.
Mishele is jealous because she ain't got none.
They didn't tell me. I just barely noticed.
Well, since I sound like a man, figured I'd end the vlog like this. Like a man. I hope everyone has a great rest of the day. I don't know why I'm walking around, but I'm walking. Anyway, hope everyone has a great rest of their day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.